what's up homies? It's been a few days since we actually did something at the garage. But as you can see in the back, we got some new parts. Unfortunately, the most important part for the Sierra isn't arrived yet. So hopefully tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we'll get that part. So we can do the timing belt, because I still haven't got the timing belt. But the new radiator is in here and some other parts as well for the Mercedes as for the Sierra. So let's get it. Morris couldn't wait. Arrived just a second and already opening the box. Ra ra ra. What's in the box?
Godverdomme.
Fuck. Fuck! Wrong part, wrong part. Ooh. Timing belt, for sure.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Finally. That's what we use there.
Oh, yes.
Okay, rest in treasure.
Ja. Huh? Where there's supposed to be 3 boxes? Maybe mine's together, because I ordered back and front. Maybe. Let's hope so. Mine? Yeah. Okay. Maybe you can already see what it is? Pretty obvious if you know what it is. But in case you don't know, these are strut bars for Mercedes and Missouri Ford at the moment. Only 2. No. Ford? Ford? Nope. Yes, I think so.
Mercedes.
Out eentje. Okay, so it's time to remove. Oh, sorry. Oh, filming and doing this is not gonna be a great thing. I'm gonna put camera away. Bolts are out. Yes. Ja, dat komt wel goed. Ah, hey Sam, mijn gloednieuwe strutbar bent. Ja, vraag maar die boten er weer door.
Kom.
Is die te kort? Is te fucking kort.
Nee, bro, het is niet van te kort zijn, het is van te breed zijn.
Ja.
Ik weet dat er wel tegen moet zitten, versta je? En die gaan mogen niet doen.
Damn.
From the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. my thing. When you wrist like this, you don't check the forecast, every day it's gon' rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, gang whip up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. Coop no brain, I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. Do my thing. Got $250,000 in a book bag, new era, I'm a dope boy. No cap.
Morris, what did you do? Not good, not good. That's fucking. So shit happens. We already ordered the new top hats, both left and right. We're gonna replace it. Stress bar is gonna need to wait. My stress bar is gonna need to wait. More stress bar is gonna need to wait. My front stress bar is gonna need to wait because it was not delivered in one package. So we're gonna continue the strut bar another time. Morris is still going strong. Still wanna look.
1 down, 2 to go in.
Yeah, still wanna install it semi to just look what it will look like and if everything fits perfectly. Stupid mistake. Nothing you can do about it when it happens. So, nope. Shit happens. Exactly.
Ja, nee, past niet eens.
Nee?
Ja, het is in de lucht moeten.
Ja.
Ah, bij ijs.
Ja. Gonna look dope.
She always wanna play with a tree trunk, so why she's still in the mood when I leave. Aye, I took her 2 in the sleeve. Still I did a couple things that I shouldn't have.
So, the only thing we did today was break shit, not fix shit. Sad day, not much progress. Waiting for parts and need to get other bolts for the Sierra, so sad day. So back again at the Sierra. Got some longer boten.
Nee, gaat die vrij lang goed op.
That's real life shit though, bro.
Gonna need the other longer.
Like, I ain't even know no recording shit right there, bro.
What's the man?
Bro.
What, bro?
You ain't gonna believe it.
She sat me in the sprinter with my entourage and shit. Face all on my stomach, got her fancy on my feet. Makeup on my acne like I'm tryna hide a zit. Wear my clothes too baggy, shit, I'm tryna hide my zit. Now baby, I'm too fucking grown to teach you how to ride a dick. Need a freaky college boots for frolicking, booty brolic, yeah.
I cop a new drop in white tee. Ayy, I fuck a new bitch in white tee.
Okay, I copped the whip, then wrapped it with the shiny polish. No bitch, you does, she $20. I'm so lit right now, I'm up on the night out. Ooh, she wet, clean up out too. From Tibet, I'm willing to bet the niggas a vet. I'm the click commander, she wet like a salamander. Green diamonds in my charm, that's a frozen salad. Neck on vegan freezing, check my color palette, white like a bunny rabbit. You know I keep some carrots, she the bitch like a sandwich, took her ass to place, no.
Damn. We decided to make the brackets for the Mercedes ourselves, and I've got them finished. They weld up, they still need to be painted, but first I want to test fit them. I hope they will fit. These are the brackets I made. So I welded up these things. That the bolt is gonna stay straight. It's gonna bolt in here, and then the sliders are gonna bolt in this one and this one. So let's try that. Well, this looks pretty good. The only problem that I found in my design is there is no way to tighten the bolts. Well, the bolts there in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Maybe I should have put the brackets the other way around so we could access them from the back, but well, we still have the possibility to like cut out an area so we can access it more easily and also save weight. Yes, so that's the thing.
You know if you don't know about the struggle, most of the shit I never wrote, this shit be coming off the muzzle. Niggas, they be pussy, they don't ever wanna tussle. Call up gang, they bring the fully, either way we got the muscle. It's glizzy, but your bubble.
So
They know I run my
finally,
city, they ain't with me, then it's fuck.
every single bolt is in. We had to do some little things because measurements weren't 100% right. Close to right, but with the big vlotje, I don't know what it's called. A vlotje, painted black, and no one will notice. Very nice. Let's put the seat in. Okay, so everything is now prepped for paint.
Ja, ik test 100 van.
No bucks, I gave no fucks, yeah. Remember calling up the tow truck, now that Rose trucks, yeah. Chopper cut a nigga like a cold cut, pick your bro up, yeah. Lot of other bitches say they know us, man, they so nuts, yeah. They gon' try to dub you when they catch you dreaming. If I tell you that I love you, then I really mean it. Fell in love with drugs, every night was fiending. Yeah, this shit straight out the mud, but you won't catch us leaning. She can't get my semen, but she might get some Neiman's. Told me that she leaving, cause she think I'm creeping. Pull up in that demon, hop out and I'm reeking. Pins on me, they peeking, tell them I don't need shit.
Okay, so it's dry. I'm gonna take up the light. Ja, ik ben ermee bezig, maat. Ik kan er niet vliegen. Ja, maar ik kan hervleugels krijgen, maar ja. Hier.
Ja. Hey, weet jij niet waar knotsen dat is?
Mercedes 582. Oh, maar ja, die luchten verblinden wel weer niet.
Oh, ik zie geen kloten. What the fuck?
Yes, die.
Superleuk.
Ja, ik ben super.
Ik ben superheel.
So, seat is in. Looking dope as fuck. Holy shit. Glad we could make the brackets ourselves, saving us a lot of money. Damn.
80 bucks.
More than 180 bucks. Wow. Damn. Damn. Oh, doe je de lucht uit?
Zonder dat we de stom opleggen.
This has to go for the shot. Putain. So this took us a bit longer than expected. We had to do some few modifications to the brackets, but holy shit, the result is crazy. Looks fucking dope. And Maurice, what do we say? Slaap wel, kleine kindjes, dan.